Տպավորություններ դեռ մենակ լավն են։
Ջուրկու գավերին սարեն սանոլորել են։
Armin Martirosyan, he is the co-founder of ArmenianMusic.am. Tell us about this music library.
Well, actually, it's not just a library.
Every song is a story of birth and death. ArmenianMusic.am is a music portal in 4 languages, which is simple and comprehensive. Every single song comes with a unique identifier. These songs, better than any other source, have a powerful potential to reveal to the world the cultural identity of the Armenian people.
Armenian Music.am, պահպանենք հայ ազգային ինքնությունը։